Wonder Pets. Off to school. Linny the guinea pig, Turtle Tuck, and Ming Ming Duckling were sitting quietly in their cages. Suddenly, the red tin can phone started to ring. The Wonder Pets rushed to answer the phone. "Look," said Linny, "it's a baby blowfish." "She's at the bottom of the ocean," said Ming Ming. "How can we help you?" asked Tuck as he looked into the phone. The baby blowfish sang to the Wonder Pets. "Today's my first day of fish preschool. Mama said it'll be cool. But I don't know, I'm a little scared to go." "That baby blowfish needs our help," said Linny. "Let's go, Wonder Pets." Linny, Tuck, and Ming Ming too were Wonder Pets and will help you. The Wonder Pets worked together to build a special fly sub so they could go under the ocean. "We are coming to help you, baby blowfish," called Ming Ming as the fly sub soared through the sky. Wonder Pets, we're on our way to help a baby blowfish and save the day. We're not too big and we're not too tough, but when we work together, we've got the right stuff. Go Wonder Pets! Yay! The Wonder Pets landed at the bottom of the sea near the fish preschool. It looked like a nice place, but the baby blowfish was too scared to go inside. "Hello, baby blowfish," said Linny. "You're going to love school. We'll go in with you to help you get used to it." "That's a wonderful idea," said Mama Blowfish. The Wonder Pets and the Blowfish swam into the preschool, where they met the teacher, Miss Seahorse. "Welcome to fish preschool," said Miss Seahorse. The baby blowfish looked around curiously. "We have a big day today," said Miss Seahorse. "There's playtime and snack time and circle time. And after circle time, you go home." "Oh, that sounds great," said the baby blowfish. She was starting to feel a little bit better. "Is that a sandbox?" she asked, pointing to the school sandbox. "Come on," said Ming Ming. "Let's go play." Ming Ming and the baby blowfish built a castle in the sand. A baby squid swam by. "Oh," said the baby squid. "Nice sand castle." Ming Ming whispered to the baby blowfish. "Why don't you ask the baby squid to play with us?" Said the baby blowfish shyly. "Would you like to play?" "Yes," said the baby squid. And just like that, the baby blowfish made a new friend. Then it was time for Mama Blowfish to leave. "Have fun today," she said. Oh no, the baby blowfish didn't want her mama to leave. "I don't want to be at school if you're not going to be here," she said. "Your mama has to leave," said Tuck. "Preschool isn't for mommies, right?" "That's right," said Linny, "but mommies always come back." But the baby blowfish was really upset. She didn't want her mama to go. "This is serious," said Ming Ming. "I know," said Linny. "We can sing baby blowfish a song to let her know that her mama will always come back." The Wonder Pets sang, "Wherever you are, whatever you do, she'll always, always come back for you." The song made the baby blowfish feel much better. "I'll be back after circle time," promised Mama Blowfish. "Have fun with your new friends." She kissed her baby and swam away. The baby blowfish looked around and saw some blocks. She swam up to a baby starfish and a baby crab and asked, "Can I play?" "Sure," they said. The new friends built a big block tower that reached high in the sky. Then Miss Seahorse called, "Circle time!" Baby Blowfish danced with all her new friends. "I think the baby blowfish really likes preschool," said Linny. And before long, Mama Blowfish came back, just like she said she would. The baby blowfish was so happy to see her. "I had the best day," said the baby blowfish. "Thanks for your help, Wonder Pets." "You're welcome," said the Wonder Pets. "This calls for some celery." And they all shared celery with raisins on it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Wonder Pets stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today. Good luck if you're going back to school, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.